Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Raj Ka Garage. Quick update on the chain sprocket. There are two things I wanted to cover. बहुत सारे इंक्वायरीज ईमेल के थ्रू आ रहे हैं और इंडिविजुअली हर किसी को रिस्पॉन्ड करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो रहा है. पूरा मेल बॉक्स मेरा भर चुका है ऑलमोस्ट. जो टॉर्किन मोटर्स के नाम से जो बनाया मैंने जीमेल आईडी वो ऑलमोस्ट नॉट भर चुका है, बट देर आर टू मेनी ईमेल्स, टू मेनी इंक्वायरीज जिनको इंडिविजुअली रिस्पॉन्ड करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो रहा है. तो मैंने सोचा इसको एक वीडियो बना के, विच आई शुड हैव डन अर्लियर, दिमाग काम नहीं करता मेरा कभी कभी, बट अपडेट ऑन द स्टॉक अवेलेबिलिटी, द न्यू स्टॉक एंड द न्यू प्राइस. ओके, आई विल कवर द न्यू प्राइस फर्स्ट बिकॉज जो डीले का वन ऑफ द रीजंस था ना, प्राइमरी रीजंस था, वो ये था कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो पहला बैच था इट वाज मेड थ्रू द R&D टीम. नाउ इट हैज गॉन टू द proper production line. That was one delay. There was this transition happening, and between that transition I was actually negotiating hard with the supplier in terms of the price, because see, I have clarified this earlier, it's small quantity compared to what they are used to, and जो हम numbers या मैं numbers मांग रहा हूँ, these are very small. Stopping the entire production line for this custom made kit takes some efforts, and all that cost has to be accounted for. तो ये सारी चीजें थी, but I was negotiating hard to get the price down, and the old price was 4500 plus shipping, and the good news is the new price is 3950 plus shipping. So whatever benefit I have got or negotiations I have managed to make with the supplier, I'm passing it on to the CB community, because like I've told, I'm trying to make things available to the larger chunk of people, not trying to keep it very premium ki, because I have seen people are selling just the rear sprocket made by some small engineering workshop, and they're selling it for 3,000-4,000 rupees if you actually look at it. वो टाइप का प्रीमियम मार रहे हैं. So this 3950 आपको पूरा किट मिलता है, फ्रंट स्प्रॉकेट, रियर कस्टमाइज स्प्रॉकेट एंड द I'll say chain which is compatible with that particular sprocket diameter. So ये आपको पूरा किट अभी 3950 में आएगा plus shipping, not 4500 plus shipping. Okay, so that's the good news. The second news, इसका ये डिले चल रहा था. Second good news is new stock is expected somewhere by the I'll say first week of June. That's when the stock will come to me, and maybe within 2-3 days I will start pushing across the deliveries, and delivery as well. अभी आप delivery को या order को place करने के लिए you don't have to write an email to me. I will soon let you know what website you have to log into and place your order, and you can place the order and make the payment through a typical e-commerce kind of a setup. तो आपको ऐसे ईमेल भेज के और वो सब वो तरीका अभी नहीं करना पड़ेगा. सो दीज आर द सर्टेन थिंग्स आई हैव बीन वर्किंग इन द बैकग्राउंड. आई एम गोइंग टू कम अप विद द अपडेट ऑन द कोन सेट एज वेल, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इंक्वायरीज ऑन द कोन सेट एज वेल. तो उसके ऊपर भी मैं एक अपडेट बनाऊंगा, बट दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली ऑन द चेन स्प्रॉकेट किट, the performance chain sprocket kit I will say, because it is actually changing the performance of the bike altogether. So price is reduced now. Whatever benefit I've got, I've passed it on to the CB community, and new stock is expected in the first week of June. It will come to me in the first week of June, and post that I will start dispatching the sprocket, and it will obviously have priority to people. I will once I start getting that, I will make sure that people who've been waiting, and some have already made some payments, I will dispatch their sprockets first. So this was something I wanted to cover. Thanks for the overwhelming response, and to share, show that trust on this particular thing that I've made. So keep watching, stay tuned. A new update on when I receive the stock, I will make a video and let everybody know. Thank you for watching, and happy riding.